celebration. What's happening, everybody? You already know who this is. I'm gonna do my best to, film as much as I can on this vacation back there in the city of Miami. Hopefully y'all can see that. Right now we just at the buffet. You know what I'm saying? Needed somewhere getting her food. I'm about to, get mine next. Man, I can't wait. So I'm gonna do my best to film as much as I can on the cruise ship, and I'm gonna do better last time. I ain't gonna do too much talking on this one. At least I hope not. But yeah, man, y'all stay and join in with us, man. Out. Room tour. Here we go. 10:37. This is where we put the card, I guess. Room tour. Bam. Ooh. Pretty. Big old bed. You know what I mean? King size with a little whoop de whoop. All that stuff. TV. Got the little closet here and there. Extra card. Anita. There's the bathroom. Bathroom. Shower. Huh? Me? Yeah. Toilet. No room to take a dump. Oh, my big guy. Nice TV. You know what I mean? Got more than one plug. What is that over there? Oh, nice. Now I have more than one plug. Got your USB, all that. Cause the last cruise we was on, we only had one plug. That was on the Carnival Freedom. Still had a good time though. Got your phone, refrigerator. Got other little light fixtures and stuff. And of course, I guess that's the sofa bed right there. And of course, the piece of resistance. The balcony. Oh, okay, we got one of them balconies that's actually private. Normal size, like the other ones. City of Miami. Beautiful, beautiful city of Miami. Definitely gonna have to come back, visit this spot. Look down. A couple of other decks and whatnot. Got a pool right there. I don't know which pool that is, but it's all good. Beautiful city of Miami. We're gonna get to sailing in about a couple of hours or whatnot. Yeah. The terminal, to get through the whole boarding process, it ain't take that long. It took about maybe, I say maybe 10 to 15 minutes. It's faster than the one that we had in Orlando. So we had to sit down, wait a while, then board and stuff like that. But yeah, so yeah, man, finally in the room. Finna enjoy it and finna sit down and finna see if I can attend the Celebrate party. Then eat some more. Bye, Port of Miami. See y'all in 8 days. What's up? One of them two. I wanted that Duke in the water. Dookie water. Wonder if that Dookie in the water. never seen lightning strike out here before. I've just seen about 3 of them. Let's see. Man, this is intriguing, right? See if I can catch one. See if I can catch one. See. Getting Dre about to go find something to eat. Gotta look outside, this extra dog. There it is. Yeah, this that good silver one right here. We'll take it with us. It's right here next to the water. Yep. We just made it to brunch. Yeah. About to get our grub on. Yeah. Brunch, cheese grits, ham and cheese omelet with sausage and bacon. Neither got the same over there. Steak and eggs, along with some hash brown and some fries and some bacon and sausage. Yep. Wow. Neither with the French toast. We headed to the Chibang Bang. Headed to Mexican Chinese restaurant. Never heard of it. What's up, Doc? What's up, dude? Can't call it. Can't call it. Never heard of the two together. So we finna check it out. Ain't that right, Nick? Check it out, Nick. Check it out. Man, this place is dope. Got the water behind me. Got Nita in front of me. Got this nice ambiance. And mind y'all now. Again, I don't know if y'all can see me. This is a Chinese Mexican restaurant. And they invited people to come up here, try it out free of charge the first go round. And then the second go round, you know, that's where you got to pay. So we finna. Nita, what you looking forward to? What you looking forward to eating?
Only a little picture right here. Oh, yeah. Honey sriracha jumbo shrimp.
Oh la la.
That is interesting to me.
Oh la la.
And I see some lamb chops right there too.
Oh la la. Oh yeah, they got it on this side too. Oh la la. They got some Singapore chili lobster. Last time I had lobster on the cruise ship, that thing was busted. Yeah, first course, brought out that quesadilla. Nita got the queso dip. Is that queso? Is that mushroom?
Look like it.
Yep. Round one, crushed.
Okay.
I appreciate you. Appreciate you. Yes, got the surf turd. Salmon rice, steak. Nita got the lamb choppy. Salmon rice. Oh, this is that sweet and sour shrimp. I ain't gonna lie, I forgot I ordered this. I forgot I ordered that. Crushed. After crushing all that, we got this right here. I might do that myself. Crushed. Got some buffalo shrimp. Lobster roll, tried for the first time. Pretty dope. Jambalaya pasta, served for dessert. chicken breast. Digga, 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 digga.
We're flying up the ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off it. It's so phenomenally. Come on, like the way we rock it, so don't stop it. Let's go, please. Yeah. It's when everything goes. Nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel the good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. Keep dancing. Everybody feel it. Got this feeling in my body. Come on. Yeah. Part of a celebration.
What's happening, everybody? Finally made it to Bonaire. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful island. You know what I'm saying? Got the big boy behind me. You know what I'm saying? Neither down yonder. We just waiting on to get this excursion started. We're gonna do some ATVs, as you can see. Got my chest mount camera on. You know what I'm saying? Can't wait to get that crank it up live and things. And shoot, we ain't finna do no more talking, man. Shoot, see y'all on the ATV. Let's go be on this bad boy. Whoa. Alright, y'all, so bad news. So, I had to cancel the Bonaire ATV rides because one, we had to have long pants. We ain't got no long pants. And then they would have switched us to the UTVs, but unfortunately, I'm a little wide, so that's why. So, on to the next stop.
Nigga!
hill, mountain over there. Curacao was happening. Oh wait, what's on me? Get a bird's eye view. Bird's eye view. I guess that's some kind of resort or something. Pool, water, water so clear down here. That made no sense. So I got off there, went all the way down there, turned around and came back. Yeah. Beautiful joint. Oh, look at the bridge over there. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Curacao. Welcome to Aruba. Welcome to beautiful Aruba. I sure go for a taxi right now. I done told $30. Nah. Alright, y'all, we in Aruba. Just finna do some walking around, stuff like that. And pretty much it. See if I can find that our little Aruba sign. I want to take a picture in front of that. We gonna see though. Till then, enjoy the video. Hey, look what I found. And ain't he had to go that far. Look. And he had to make it off of that post. Hot dog. I thought it was gonna be way in downtown somewhere. Hey, right here. Yes, sir. And take me a picture. was a lot of walking. That was a lot of walking. I'm tired now. Ain't had nothing to eat. I'm tired now. Shout out to Aruba. Pretty city. Pretty. Not city. Island. Island country. Whatever you want to call it. Shout out to Aruba. For those who is planning on cruising to Aruba, it takes some days to get down here. But if you want to know what I Love Aruba sign is at, what you do is come right here. You walk up that gangway. Walk right there. It's right there. See if we can focus on. Yeah. See, right. I'm right there. Yeah. I'm so glad it was close. I thought it was gonna be somewhere else somewhere. Shout out to the room, man. I'm on the deck 17. I'm getting a full view of this bad boy. Got a little mountain over there. Probably a volcano or something. Just don't explode. Got some back there. Yeah. Look like they got some resorts and things down there. Yeah. Pretty water. I had a roller coaster. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get on it. Let me tell y'all something. One thing back, two things for sure, three things for certain. Four if you don't know. Look at Carnival celebration. You gonna eat good. Alright, you gonna eat good. Just like on any cruise. But you gonna work it off. Dog, this ship is humongous. Okay? By the time you eat. Alright? And even if when you get familiar with everything when you eat, you gonna eat good. But then when you walk to your next destination, wherever it may be, you gonna burn all that stuff off. Honestly. And then about 30 minutes to an hour, you gonna be, you know what I mean? You gonna be ready to eat again. Seriously. So for those who already sailed on Carnival celebration, I already know what I'm talking about. For those of you who haven't, get on him. But it's a beautiful ship. It's fire. You know what I'm saying? It's humongous. See, you got a roller coaster behind me. And doggone, you gonna eat, but you gonna walk. You gonna get your cardio in. I don't even know why they got a gym. I guess it's for the gym freaks. But yeah, you gonna let's just say you gonna earn your food. You know what I'm saying? But I think that's the end. Shoot. I think that's the end of the vlog. I think I'm gonna cut it off right here. So man, thank y'all for rolling with me, because I think this is the last stop of our cruise. And then the next 2 days is just fun days at sea, which I ain't gonna do too much of anything besides eat and eat. That's pretty much it. And I ain't gonna bore y'all with all that. But these destinations have been crazy. So thank y'all for joining me. Thank y'all for joining me and the wife on our second cruise. Please believe we will be going on plenty more, Lord willing. But until then, baby, y'all know the motto. We in this thing. Catch y'all in the next video. Y'all have a good one. Peace.